Once upon a time, in a land far away, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. Lily had a wild imagination and loved going on exciting adventures. One sunny day, as she was exploring the forest near her home, she stumbled upon a hidden pathway. Intrigued, Lily followed the winding trail deep into the woods. After walking for a while, Lily found herself in a magical clearing filled with talking animals. A wise old owl named Oliver perched on a tree branch and greeted her warmly. Oliver explained that this enchanted place was known as the Whispering Woods, where animals from all corners of the kingdom gathered to share stories and wisdom. Eager to join in the fun, Lily sat down among the animals and listened intently. A mischievous squirrel named Sammy shared tales of daring acrobatics, while a graceful deer named Daisy spoke of the beauty and serenity of the meadows. Lily couldn't help but be enchanted by each story, feeling inspired by the courage and resilience of the characters. As the day turned into dusk, Lily bid farewell to her newfound friends, promising to return to the Whispering Woods. With a heart full of wonder, she made her way back home, feeling invigorated by the stories she had heard. From that day forward, Lily spent her days exploring the Whispering Woods, listening to the tales of the animals, and even sharing her own imaginative stories. The creatures of the woods became her loyal companions, and together they embarked on countless adventures, each more thrilling than the last. Through her experiences in the Whispering Woods, Lily learned the importance of imagination, friendship, and the power of storytelling. And so, she lived happily ever after, forever cherishing the magical tales woven within the depths of the enchanted forest.